Hey, so today I'm just going to quickly show you how you can change your LinkedIn setting to prefer basically about visibility of your profile. For example, some of us don't want to really to keep advertising to people that actually visited their profile. So to do that, just come here on me under the me icon. So when you're in me icon, just select settings and privacy. So this will bring you to your settings. So under settings you choose visibility. So under visibility you actually choose profile viewing options. You could also choose for the page visits that you make. This is basically for the organizations, these are for profiles. So when you click here, you find that by default this information is shared by the profile. It's shared automatically to someone who you get to visit their profile. So if I want to change, I could take it to semi-private. This is semi-private because it just tells the person that the technical writer in some companies has actually viewed your profile, but private mode is the real deal, and for it to just be anonymous. So you don't have to do anything once you advertise. Once you're in, that's it. You just click on this and there's nothing to save. Automatically changes are saved, and that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.